I would like to introduce you to how to wear yukata. Let's begin.
Yes, graceful. Yeah. Hello, peeps. There's something. Whatever's on my lens is like getting worse and worse. But anyways, we have arrived to Tokyo, but our room is actually really small. Not to complain. Grateful that we can still stay somewhere, but definitely smaller than what we imagined. It's only for one night, so it's a quick layover for us. Anyways, we're chilling and we're gonna go to, I think it's the world's largest gashapon store, which is about an hour's train ride up north from here in Tokyo. Also meet up with some other friends. That'll be cool. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and that's it. First day we were here by ourselves, then we went to find the Tokyo Tower. Going from an emoji to seeing it in real life was surreal. We went almost all day going to all the different spots to take photos of the tower from different angles, and it was pretty warm that day, so we got sick of walking by the end of the day. And ended the day with getting a cool drink at a nearby cafe. Going to this place called No Coffee, and the weather is calm. I look like I came from the farm. It was raining most of the time we were in Tokyo, which was a bit sad because we booked to see the Shibuya sky and realized that they close the outdoor area when it rains, but we were surprised that you could see most of the views from the inside, so it wasn't so bad. Overall, our Tokyo trip was really sporadic and spontaneous, and it also felt really fast-paced, like a lot happened, but it was all for good reasons. We met up with 2 other groups of friends for a few days, and we ended up doing our own thing for the last few days, but we also did a lot of cafe hopping. There's just something about chilling at cafes and exploring new cafes that makes time slow down for me. Being a person that's always on the go, this is just what I needed. We ended up finding our favorite coffee spot called Verve Coffee. The coffee was smooth, the vibe was great, and we even ended up bringing back their coffee beans. time to wash our clothes. We could have actually walked off because apparently if you hang your bag here, people will know that you're using it and you can come back. But because this is our first time experiencing this together, we decided to stick around and enjoy this new experience. The next day we hung around Shinjuku just to check out the area, and then we went to batting later that night, which was really fun.
Nice. Yeah, nice. Check. Hey, nice. That's fake. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, you got 7.
We just went out to play, what's it called, batting. To play batting with a friend. He found it and it was actually surprisingly really fun. In Australia, it's really hard to find this and we only see it in movies, dramas and stuff, so it was cool to try it out. And it's actually currently 1 a.m, so pretty tired. The last few nights we've been sleeping pretty late, and today was really dedicated to my husband finding all the car hobby die-cast little miniature car toys, so he really loves that. Went to explore that. But yeah, kind of sad that it's our last night here in Tokyo, only because it means that there's only a few more sleeps until we go back to Osaka and then going back home, so a bit sad. But yeah, it was fun, good experiences, hanging out with friends in a different country. But yeah, that was our day. We're gonna pack and then we'll see you in a bit. Damn.
Damn, that's funny.